Equation of tangent to the curve. We want to find the equation of tangent to the curve, but what will be the conditions? What are the given conditions? The given conditions will be the equation of curve will be given, that is y equals to f of x. F of x may be equation of parabola, it may be equation of circle, it may be equation of ellipse. Equation of curve will be given in the question, and second point of contact will be given, but to find the equation of tangent we will consider our point of contact as x1 comma y1. Now it is our curve y equals to f of x. This curve represents the function y equals to f of x. Point of contact is p x1 y1. So slope of tangent will be dy by dx. Slope of tangent will be dy by dx at point x1 y1. Whenever we want to find the equation of tangent, first we will find the slope of tangent, and must remember that slope of tangent will be dy by dx at this point. Then equation of tangent at point x1 y1 will be y minus y1 equals to dy by dx at point x1 y1 into x minus x1. It is the formula of equation of tangent at the point x1 y1, or where x1 y1 is our point of contact. Now the equation of normal. What is equation of normal? I repeat, what is normal? Perpendicular drawn from point of contact and perpendicular to tangent. Line drawn from point of contact and perpendicular to tangent is known as normal. And we know that slope of normal equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx. So it will be y minus y1 equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1 y1 into x minus x1. Now when you cross multiply it, then you will get y minus y1 dy by dx x1 y1 plus x minus x1. In some books this formula is given, and in some books this formula is given. You can remember any one formula. Remember this formula or remember this formula, but must remember equation of tangent when point of contact is x1 y1 and equation of normal. We will use these two equations when we find the equation of tangent and equation of normal